Hello, hello, and welcome back to New You, where I help twin flames to heal and to master thyself along thy twin flame journey. My name is Ruby Lee, and I am a self mastery coach, and I am a twin flame specialist. If you are a twin flamer who's in separation from your twin at the moment, and if you want some support, if you want some encouragement, if you want some love, if you want to feel loved, to feel valued, to be seen, to be heard, make sure you click that bell and become a subscriber to a New You, where we are a community of lovers. We love to love, we love to love, we love to love. So let's love on each other. Let's support each other in this twin flame experience that we are having. And so today's topic of discussion is simply titled, let me see, because I forgot. Make peace in your twin flame journey. Learn to make peace in your twin flame journey. Stop fighting against the journey, right? The journey is what it is. There's nothing you can really do to get off of it, right? Right? This is not the type of experience where you can, get on, get off, get on, get off. It's not a treadmill. You are on it. You are in it. You've been in it, right? You just have come into the knowledge that you are on the journey, but you've been on the journey your whole entire life, right? You just didn't know it until now. And so I want to encourage you to make peace with this journey, right? There is so much blessings. Yes, there is a lot of hurt, there's a lot of pain, right? There's a lot of ups and downs, highs and low, emotional roller coaster ride, but there is so much blessing and beauty in this journey if you choose to see the beauty, to see the blessing in it. There is a blessing in your pain. There is beauty in your pain. This experience that you're having didn't come to break you to the point where you can't get back up, right? This journey will break you, but it's supposed to break you so that you can rise up in your power, so that you can rise up in the truth of who you really are. This journey, it has come to show you the truth of who you really are. This journey has come for you to discover who you are. And so, one of the things that I have done along my journey is to learn how to make peace, learn how to embrace the journey, embrace all of that feeling, the feelings of love that you feel in your heart. Embrace that love energy, right? Embrace it. Make peace with it. When you're having negative thoughts about your twin, instead of allowing the dialogue to continue to persist and to grow and expand and put you in the feeling or should I say, put you in a dark place, a dark space within yourself, right? Tell yourself, anytime you are thinking bad thoughts about your twin or even bad thoughts about yourself, just tell yourself, I make peace with my twin. I make peace with him. I make peace with her. I'm making peace with myself. I'm loving on myself. I choose to love myself. I choose to think on the things that are loving, that are kind, that are praiseworthy, that are just. Choose to think on the things that is of your most highest good. You have to begin to learn how to fight against that negative self chatter that wants to run in the back of your mind, or even at the forefront of your mind. Choose to make peace with this journey. Choose to make peace with your pain. Make peace with the ups and downs, the highs and lows. Because when you make peace with this journey, it becomes easier for you when you learn how to make peace with it and search for the purpose that's in it for you. Seek the good. Ask, what good is it in this feeling that I'm feeling? Look for the good, search for the good. Life is always communicating with you. God is always communicating with you, showing you things. And so if you are in that place right now where you are filled with pain, soul pain, along this journey, you will, if you have not experienced, or maybe if you are experiencing, soul pains where, you just get up and and your soul is just in pain and you're like, oh my gosh, why? Like, why? Like, I'm not thinking about anything in particular, but there's just this pain that you feel in your soul, and they say that soul pain is the worst type of pain that you can feel and experience. And on this journey, we experience a lot of the soul pain, but I believe the soul pain it is helping you to ascend. It is helping you to grow, right? So when you're having this soul pain, that means you're growing. That means you're growing. You're having a growth spurt, right? That means you're growing. That means you're ascending. And so instead of focusing on the pain and the hurt and how somebody is hurting you, or instead of you having a victim mentality, choose to rise above all of that and think on things that are loving. Think on things that are kind. When you are feeling such intensity and such pain, you got to learn how to go light mentally, deliberately. And you may have to take it minute by minute. I love myself. I love myself. I love myself. I believe in myself. I am beautiful. I am beautiful. I am beautiful. Right? Say these things to yourself till you actually feel it. Say the good that you want to see in your life until you actually can feel it. That is the work that you must do to help get yourself out of the second place. And so, make peace. When you have a negative thought about your twin, just say, I am making peace with so and so. Say his name out loud or say her name. I am making peace. I make peace with him. I make peace with what he's doing. I make peace with this situation. I accept what it is that I am seeing and experiencing. I choose to make peace. God, heal my broken heart. Ask God to heal your broken heart. Ask God to be the comforter in your life and to give you comfort, to help give you peace, to help you make peace. Ask for the help that you need. You don't have to suffer alone. You don't have to struggle alone. Ask for what it is that you need. and it will be given unto you. And so, guys, that is it. My name is Ruby Lee. If this video resonated with you in any type of way, remember to like this video and leave comments, positive comments in the comment section. I want to hear from you. And so, guys, I will leave you in love, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.